We are ready to go for match 98. Drivers, hands off the controllers. 3, 2, 1, go!
And both alliances scoring in the goals. Team 116 VV Robots going back and forth, scoring all of those preset artifacts, filling up that ramp and gathering from them, just tunneling into that goal with artifacts. Blue Alliance trying to do the same thing, trying to match 22999. Just filling up that ramp. Might be some problems there on the Blue Alliance technically.
Driver,
but
pick up your controllers.
as of right now, the Blue Alliance, close game. Red Alliance seems to be in the lead by about 3 points, but that blue ramp is full. A lot of flock over to that blue ramp side as soon as telly-up starts. 19116 going over there, taking from the loading zone, trying to get in a position where they can take advantage of the balls coming out of the gate from the blue side. Meanwhile, 12682 trying to control their own side, prevent 5037 Got Robot from going over there and taking over their loading zone. 12682 trying to force a far side algorithm over there, just going back and forth between the low distance, but 22999 getting in their way, disrupting their flow. That blue ramp is getting full. If Blue Alliance doesn't empty it soon, they'll lose out on a lot of points here. A lot of overload. 5037 going in. Probably going to score from the close side here, going as fast as they possibly can. 19116 just cycling back and forth on this close section right here. 12682 doing the exact same thing from the far side, just in a complete rhythm. Can't be disrupted. 5037 continuously in this thing, taking advantage of some of those low artifacts close to thing aren't picked up. 22999 thankfully opening up that blue gate, so preventing overload. There's still time, 45 seconds left, there's still time for the Blue Alliance to take back this game, but it doesn't seem like the Red Alliance is going to let that happen. VV Robots going back and forth, unstoppable this match on the close shooting zone. 12682 doing the same thing, trying to make sure that 5037 has no access to that red ramp's artifacts. And 19116 coming in the way of 22999, throwing off that cycling flow. Red is in the lead by 80 points in this match, but they're gonna need to open that gate if they want a chance. 10 seconds left. Looks like they might be able to snag some motifs here in the end. That gate is opened. Blue Alliance has something parking. Maybe a partial from Red, maybe a full. We'll see, 1 second left.
Answering. The electrolytes putting things in place for the artifacts to be scored. The Mechaneers feeding their robot 31657. That's the tallest robot in the field. Placed a little interference, but a little bit short. Landing one